I visited the ancient temple of Angkor Wat in Cambodia recently. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Cambodian culture. The monument was about the history of the Khmer Empire and its significance. I chose to visit it because I wanted to learn more about my country's past. As I walked through the temple, I felt a deep connection to my heritage. The intricate carvings and sculptures depicted the daily life of ancient Cambodians. It was fascinating to see how our ancestors lived and what they believed in. I would definitely recommend it to others, as it's an eye-opening experience.
For more practice, start free trial. Link in bio.